You want to be more healthy. You've been looking all everywhere. What can I do to be more healthy? And you've come across alkaline water. And it's like your friends are talking about it. You've read about it. You see it in the bottles at Costco. You see it everywhere. And you're like, I got to know what alkaline water is. Well, here it is. Alkaline water is considered by many health practitioners is to be more healthy than drinking regular water. Yes. Why is that? Well, there's a basis of this is that cancer cannot survive in a petri dish when the cells are alkaline. So, as a result of that study, most people, health practitioners and doctors even now too, are saying drink alkaline water. Now, I know some doctors, gastrointestinal doctors, who say that's hogwash. Why do they say that's hogwash? Because they say that the reality is that your body produces hydrochloric acid when you eat stuff and it's going to change whatever you consume anyways. What I know is that I don't know. So you got two different schools of thought. You got to make the choice yourself. What did I do? I decided I'm going to go ahead and try drinking alkaline water straight for 2 weeks and see if I get any of the benefits. Now, if you if you've done any research on it, one of the other studies that was out there refers to patients in Japan who are given alkaline water when they first go into the emergency room, that they believe that we got to hydrate the body, strengthen the cells, all in one fell swoop. So the first thing they do is do that process. I don't know. I've never been to Japan, so I don't know. And by the way, if I did, I wouldn't want to go into the hospital. Anyhow, what I did do is when I read that study that the cancer can't survive in that, I'm like, okay, well, let's try it. So I paid attention to my body. I like to write down how I feel, what my energy level is on a scale of 1 to 10. And I switched to alkaline water, and I did it for 2 weeks. Now, I will admit, I felt a little bit more energy. I'd say probably about 5 to 10% more energy. It felt great. So I've made that part of my routine. Now, I own, at Angel Water, we want to buy almost every water product in the industry. So we own a Kangen machine. That's the industry leader for an electronic or electrical machine that has plates in it, and it forces the water droplets to bounce up against each other. When that happens, you make alkaline water, and the system also makes acidic water. So you can then take that alkaline water and drink it. And we did that way back about 10 years ago, but the problem I had with that system was I couldn't get the water alkaline when I first purified it. So I contacted the manufacturer out of California. We had long discussions. We did some experiments, and with really big systems, I was able to first purify the water and then add rock to the water, basically calcium and magnesium. And then I was able to use a huge vessel of this RO purified water, and I was able to run it to that machine and then, of course, make it more alkaline. But it was very expensive and very complicated. So that said, that is what I did for several years until there's a new system on the market made by EcoWater. EcoWater patented the first and the only true alkaline cartridge system on the market. Yes, you'll find some, like we found, little guys out of their garage, and they call themselves a factory, and they'll stick a bunch of rocks in a filter and then put ends on it, and they sell it. And they've now gotten pretty popular, so they probably have small little assembly plants. California is the most popular place. And they're basically selling rocks. Now, as the water travels through it, yes, you get a little bump in alkalinity, but it's just a little bump. You're not only getting from like 7.5 pH to 8, a half a point. What the alkaline system from Kangen or EcoWater does, it gets it all the way to 9.5 or 10. Now that's huge. That's a huge difference. And what we're talking about as you consume that, the theory is that you're strengthening the cells of your body so that you kick out those contaminants or toxins that have been building up in the body so you don't get cancer. Again, that's a decision you have to make. Do you believe that or not? Now, if you're looking at a alkaline water system, which by the way, we do a lot of work with Costco. And so when we're in the Costco stores, you wouldn't believe it. Out of 10 carts that are carrying bottled water, literally 4 of them are alkaline water. So it's becoming really nationally popular to research it and start trying it and drinking it, and you pay a lot more money for it. Like, it's huge. So my point today is simply this. If you're looking for alkaline water, I want to make sure you understood why people are doing it. Make themselves more healthy, strengthen the cell so that we kick out cancer or other things that might be in the water. Again, there's no proof here regarding whether or not it works or not. In fact, even when you look at Kangen, they make claims all the time, all these people who've cured themselves from cancer from drinking more alkaline water. Actually, I would ask, are they curing their illnesses by drinking more water? Because the minute you spend $5,000 on a system, you're damn well going to start to drink more water, right? So, and those are claims. There's no scientific study or proof that that works. What I have done is I've met a lot of people who have said, yes, I got so much more healthy. In fact, I've even had a lot of people come to me and say, hey, listen, I got a little older. I'm not saying I do, but they got a little older and they have to pee more regularly, right? Their frequency's gone up. So the more alkaline water they drink, the less they have to urinate. There's less urgency to urinate. So that said, that's another wonderful benefit of alkaline water. Now, again, you have basically two real proven technologies out there. It's going to be Kangen, but they don't filter the water first. To me, I want to get the toxins out. Or you get a Eco Water alkaline system, which we found to last for a whole year. So yes, it's a pretty large cartridge, works wonderfully. Again, that technology was developed with a gentleman out of Southern California and myself and Eco Water. It's really worked out extremely well. And again, we get a whole year of like 9.5 pH water. If you have any further questions on this, I know it can be complicated. So if you have any further questions, reach out to us, comment below. I'm Drew. I'm here to serve you.